Hello all, today in this video I'm going to provide details regarding a demo video for adverse drug effects dataset for which we have previously put the code with logistic regression. So in this work we will be making the code with support vector mission, and already we just downloaded the code from Happy Faces, and it was having in some other format, and we just downloaded into converted into .csv. For regarding that, we have made a video in the same YouTube channel itself. You can find that. So first we have imported the library and loaded our data set. So the data set is having features like unnamed text and label. Here the text and label is the only attributes we will be using in our work. Then we are getting the info of our data set, that whether it is having any integer type or object type. The text is an object type and label is an integer type. Then we are checking whether the data set is having any null values. It is not having any null values. Then we are getting the shape of our data set, and then we are plotting the label attribute of the data set, what how many counts it is having for 0 and how many counts is having for 1. And then we are making with the train test split function. Within the train test split function, within the x variable we are calling the text feature, and within the y variable we are calling the label feature. And then by using this x variable and y variable, and by using the train test split function, we are making the x train, x test, y train and y test variable with the use of the test size as 0.2, that is 20% will be taken for testing and remaining 80% will be taken for training. Then we are making feature extraction, since our text data, that is text feature, is mostly having text only, but we have to convert into vector. For that we are moving with the web feature extraction, where we are using the count vectorizer and converting our text into vector. So this data only we will be using in this logistic regression code. Previously we have done, and we have got an accuracy. We have concluded the confusion matrix and also accuracy. Then now in this code we are going to work with support vector mission. So previously, as I said, the only difference is that the library. So we have to import the libraries for the support vector mission, and we have to call the library of the support vector mission within a variable. With this variable we will be using for training and testing. Training is done with the use of fit function, and testing with the use of predict function. And for training we will be using the train variables, and for testing we will be using the testing variables. Here within the testing, previously we didn't convert the x test variable to the vectorizer form. So here we are converting it to vectorizer form. Then we are determining its confusion matrix and also classification report value. When compared to the size of the data set, you can notice some difference within the confusion matrix. Why? Because we are using only the confusion matrix is plot for the test variable only. You can notice here we are plotted it for the test variable only. So within the test variable we are determining only 20%. Other 80% we are determining for training only. So if you are making the confusion matrix plot with the y train, will means we will get more values, but since we have made with only y test, we are getting only less values. Then also we have made a classification report which determines the precision, recall, F1 score and support value. Then we have made a comparison within this logistic regression and support vector mission, that which algorithm is providing better results. For that we are just making a results variable and also model variable. So in this, the models we are calling the model which we have determined so far, that is the logistic regression and support vector mission. And then we are making use of a loop. Within the loop we are making training, testing and determining of several performance metrics like accuracy, mean square error and R2 square. And then we are making to print the details of every algorithms, that is every models we have made so far within the single cell. So accuracy, training accuracy and testing accuracy of both the models will be displayed within the single cell. You can notice over here. Then we have made a table comparison, and also we have made a highlighter, that the model with the least accuracy will be shown with the red color, and the model with the better accuracy will be shown with the green color. So here support vector mission is showing better results than and logistic regression. In the next video with the same data set, we will be working with cat boost classifier. So if you are interested in knowing in some other demo video means, please let us know in the comment box. Thank you.